Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a phone running Android 8, 0 or newer, a car or adapter that supports Android Auto, and a reliable USB cable or wireless pairing method. Make sure your phone has the latest system updates and sufficient storage. These prevent app errors. Once done, enable location and Bluetooth so device discovery works. Next, unlock your phone and keep it on the home screen while we install and prepare Android Auto for the next steps. You now install or update Android Auto via Google Play and open it. Updates fix compatibility problems. When prompted, grant permissions for location, microphone, contacts, and SMS so voice, navigation, and calls work smoothly. Configure voice assistant and media defaults inside app settings. Choose Google Assistant for best integration. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for Android Auto to prevent background shutdowns. Once configured, test with Bluetooth discovery, enabled so that you're ready to connect. Plug your phone into the car's USB port or use the car's wireless Android Auto pairing flow. Accept any prompts on both screens and set Android Auto as active on the head unit. If it fails, reboot the phone and the car system, then clear Android Auto cache and data in app settings. Retry. If problems persist, update the car head unit firmware and your phone OS, and try a different certified USB cable. These fixes resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.